Welcome to the To Become One.
Good morning, y'all. It is, what time is it? 6:46 in the morning, and we are headed to, where we headed, TJ?
To a jet ski invasion.
To a jet ski invasion. We're going to Key Largo this morning. So, we're up. I'm tired. I did a wedding yesterday, so I'm definitely tired. But I'm going to take me a nap in the car while TJ drive. And yeah, we headed there. Alright, y'all, so we are, what did it say, 20 minutes away? 20 minutes away, and we're on the 2-lane road. Ready, T? I'm so tired, y'all, but I'll wake up soon and show y'all the road. Oh, this road bouncy.
Yeah, we almost have.
Yep.
There's 2 trucks in front of that car that got jet skis.
Yeah, we've been passing by a lot of cars with jet skis on them, so let's see how many jet skis show up. But yeah, y'all, we'll come back when we get closer. Y'all, so look who we see. Y'all recognize that truck right there? In front of that white car? It's Kayla and Freddie. So I just asked TJ how he think it's gonna be, if he thinks that it's gonna be crowded. He said, what did you say?
It's gonna be crowded.
You think so?
Yeah, it's gonna be a whole bunch of people.
We're gonna see. Now I'm getting nervous. You know how everybody gonna be riding so close in that little...
Just ride on the outside.
You gonna ride on the outside?
I'm riding in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, you wanna ride.
Yeah, I'm getting nervous now because there's gonna be so many people out there. Well, compared to the last one from the pictures we saw, it was a lot of people out there. So I'm just getting nervous about everybody riding together. But TJ said he's gonna ride on the outskirts. So, but now we're at the part where there's water on both sides of us.
It's not that far away from the 7-mile bridge.
Yeah, the 7-mile bridge. We've been to Key West once after my graduation from college. We haven't been back down here since, but we're going to Key Largo, so that's before you get to Key West. Key West is the southernmost point, so we're gonna see.
Why you put the camera on me?
You ready?
Yeah.
He's so excited. All right, y'all, now this part we do not like because we're sitting out in the road because the line is backed up to unload.
Yeah, so Black and everybody get up.
Yeah, they need to kind of inch up so they can let people get off the road.
Yeah.
This part we don't like because it's dangerous for us to be just chilling in the road trying to... Y'all, I'm kind of getting excited. The water looks so pretty.
Oh, you unload down there.
Oh, so that's why they're in the line. Y'all, it's packed out here. Alright, y'all, so we made it and we on the jet ski. TJ about to get on. Kayla and Freddie.
What up?
All right, y'all, ready to go. All right, y'all, so the invasion is getting ready to start.
About to get real.
Y'all can see all the jet skis around us. You ready, T?
Yes, ma'am.
It's about to be some fun. Y'all, it's a dolphin. It's 2 of them, babe?
Yeah.
I wonder if they come back up.
Just keep it over there.
I'm gonna keep it over here and see if they come back up. OMG!
Y'all saw him?
Yeah. Oh my gosh! TJ kept saying, I see him. I was like,
Yeah, I saw it when we came back.
They came up to there like,
Go swimming with him, dog.
I'm trying to catch him on camera.
And they're in real shallow water.
Yeah, because I said they're too shallow. Yeah, I said, why are they over here?
I was making sure it was a dolphin. Boy, it's really gonna be 47 meters down.
All right, y'all. It's about that time. Everybody get information.
Yeah, that's what they like to do with them superchargers.
Ride the wave.
Jump the wave.
All right, it's time. All right, y'all. So we're in a no wake zone. Kelly and Freddie over there. Y'all, that was a thrill. A lot of splashing. My hat. Look,
Waves,
look at
all
my hat.
that. Good thing we got on glasses.
Yes.
Yeah, good thing you got them glasses. Yeah,
We got wet too. It was fun, y'all.
Now we in that no wake zone.
Yeah, so we have to ride slow right now.
No wake zone. You know better.
Ooh. You can taste the salt on your lips.
I know.
Where the water was going up.
It's not that bad though.
That's why I have to wear a hat like this, because when you're going so fast, it blows back. But once we pass this zone, it's on and popping. Y'all, so we made it to our first mile marker. How you feel, TJ? It's so fast, y'all. We said we're gonna get us some goggles. Some people have like these action goggles going on. Y'all, I was all the way up in the air. We were going so fast.
Probably about 50.
I was saying earlier, probably about 50. Yeah, you always do that.
No, I wanted us to get in there.
Oh. Whew. We're gonna get off. You gonna go for a swim? She did about to tie the jet ski today. It might be packed for that cooler. We got a cooler.
oh, that is a great idea.
TJ is tying it to this tree. TJ about to go get on this swing. We'll see how this works out. All these jet skis out here. First stop.
All right, you ready?
Go, TJ, go. TJ had this bright idea to get on this. I think Freddie gonna try it next. Hold on, T, hold on. Hold on. Go. Go, TJ. Wait, don't go now. You done messed up. Ready, set, go. should have had it higher. You gotta put your legs down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a piece of wood.
Alright, y'all. We out here chilling. TJ dancing.
Yeah, we out here chilling. Swinging
Took a
from
couple
ropes.
pictures.
Feeling like Tarzan.
Y'all can see how he looks swinging from that rope.
They already see it. They see it.
About to give me something to drink. Oh yeah. Y'all, my hair is full of salt. The water feels good at least though. You gonna go for a swim? The only thing when you get close up to the edge, it's like a
Tree stumps.
yeah, stumps.
Or like tide
You
draw.
gotta be careful. But yeah.
They caught me off guard.
Alright y'all, so we're getting ready. Everybody getting back on their jet skis.
Get ready to take off.
Stop. How long is this one?
This one is gonna be a little ride, so get ready.
Gonna be riding for a while. You think we're gonna pass by Wake Forest?
Possibly.
So we'll get to slow down there.
We're about to get back at it.
It's time.
Alright y'all, so we made it to a gas station and everybody's back here just getting gas. And we're just chilling. For now. Until we get ready to take off again. We get hungry, so hopefully the next stop is food. You hungry? Yeah. But yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. The first time. Won't be the last. Huh? No, not yet. He asked us if we was tired. I said, not yet. Getting close.
We've been on this jet ski for how many hours?
I don't know, probably like an hour or so.
No, an hour?
Yeah, I'm looking at my gauge, babe.
We've been on the jet
It's like
ski
an hour and a
for
half.
2 hours.
Okay. But yeah, hopefully the next stop is food. So we'll come back when we get to the stop.
So we've arrived at the sandbar. Just chilling here to see what they're gonna have us do next.
Alright, y'all. So we are chilling. We have lost that city.
Lost.
Yeah, we got lost. Well, we didn't get lost. They left us.
They left us.
They left us for dead. So we done hooked up with some people and they about to put it back in their GPS so we can go home. So we just waiting on them to get gas or whatever they gotta do, and then we about to take it on back in. But yeah, they done left us, y'all. On the second stop, everybody just split up and did their own thing. So we just waiting for them to pull on off, and then we about to get us something to eat because everybody hungry now.
Hungry.
Alright, y'all, so we back in the truck. Finally. Yeah, finally. And now we're about to get us something to eat because everybody's hungry. Oh yeah, it's been one of those times. It was nice at first, and then at the very end, it was like unorganized, and then we end up finding. Luckily, we were riding next to somebody who had a group of people, but one of them had a GPS, so he put in the location on water, and then it took us back in. So we made it back. Yeah, we made it back. But yeah, we are tired, and not even tired from like riding, but just tired from what the heck we went through. So we think we gonna. Yeah, I was about to say we might just hang up the Jetski for a minute. Say after this experience, we might hang up the Jetski for a minute.
We was riding
for no lie, we was riding, like all in all, we probably riding for about what, 5-6 hours? Yeah, 5 or 6 hours, no lie. But yeah, so we headed back. We're about to get us something to eat and then go back and pick up Wyatt. So we just wanted to check in and tell you guys the update on we're not lost. We made it back. So we'll vlog some more when we tell y'all what we get to eat. Alright, y'all. It's been a long day. As y'all can see, your boy's sweating like a wild hog. Excuse me, I just finished cleaning out the Jetski from all that salt and getting it all cleaned out and everything. It's 8 o'clock, and we went and picked up Wyatt. So now I'm about to take a shower, get ourselves ready for in the morning, and then get ready for power. Yeah, get ready for power. I'm about to help Chelsea get herself together because she goes back to work tomorrow. And yeah, y'all. So when we figure out whatever, it's getting dark. Ooh, I look like a blue Smurf. A blue Smurf. Almost messed up the table. Chelsea gonna kill me. But yeah, as soon as we finish what we're doing, we'll come back. All right, y'all. It's the end of the night.
Yes.
And we've wound down. We just finished watching Power, and now we're about to go to sleep. So we wanted to come on here and end the vlog with our 3 words: peace, love, and positivity. Good night, y'all. See you on the next video.
Good night.